In this guide, I'll show you how to sign into the PlayStation Network on your PS4 using the PlayStation app. So, the first thing you want to do is open up something on your PS4 that's going to require you to sign in, and that's going to bring us to this page here where there's going to be a QR code. Now, what you want to do is open up your phone and download the PlayStation app from the App Store, and then you want to open it up. Now, the first time you use it, you will have to sign into your PlayStation Network account, and once you're signed in, you'll be brought to this home page. Then you want to select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and from here, you can scroll down until you see Scan QR Code under Console Management. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and when I do that, I'm going to get rid of this stuff here, and I'm going to scan the code. It's going to ask if you're trying to sign in on PlayStation 4, and I'm going to go to approve. Now, when I do this, it's going to sign me in real quick. You're all set. So now if I go back to the PlayStation, you'll see we're signed in. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.